Hey everybody, and welcome. My name is Esteban Mercado, and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. Today, we're going to talk about a what-if feature called resource changes. We're going to show you how to utilize resource changes so you can make quick, on-the-fly adjustments to the resources in your proposal. Resource changes is a powerful feature that allows you to increase or decrease the hours, units, or costs in your proposal by a designated factor. You can alter this factor for individual resources, entire resource types, and even entire resource classes. Before you get started, the first thing you should always do when using any what-if feature is make a copy of your proposal. You'll also want to make sure the Resource Changes dialog box is using your newly copied proposal. This way, you can avoid accidentally making permanent changes to your original proposal. The What If Resource Changes feature can be found by heading over to the Proposal tab in the ribbon and navigating to the What If section. When you click the Resource Changes button, a dialog box pops up. This is where you'll be able to specify the changes you want to make. Once this is done, you'll have the ability to narrow down the scope of your changes by applying filters. If you wish, you can make changes on specific tasks or in a particular time period with filters such as task selection or period selection. Remember, any changes will apply to your entire proposal by default unless you tell ProPricer otherwise with these filters. Next, you will select the desired criteria for your changes. The category fields allow you to choose whether to change an individual resource or an entire resource type or class. Then, you will choose the actual element you wish to change under the name column. To show you, I'll select a category. In this example, we'll make changes to an individual resource. Next, we will specify which resource that is. For this example, I'll just choose assembly. Finally, you'll need to change the factor. A factor of 0.9 means that that element will be changed to 90% of its current value. If the factor is changed to 1.1, the value of that element will be increased by 10%. For this example, we will decrease the assembly's hours across the entire proposal by changing the factor to 0.95. This should decrease those hours by 5%. When you're done, click Process, and the changes will be applied in the areas you designated. All of these changes can be seen in comparison reports or in the What Ifs log. To recap everything, the What If Resource Changes feature is a great tool which gives you the ability to make hour, unit, or cost changes to your proposal by allowing you to make adjustments from individual resources to entire resource classes. This feature is extremely important and useful because it allows you to quickly make widespread changes to your proposal on any level, so you can get things priced in a timely manner. If you thought this video was helpful, please share it with your colleagues. If you or your team have any questions we can help with, or any tips or tricks of your own, we encourage you to post them on our support portal or email us directly. Again, my name is Esteban Mercado, and as always, thanks for watching.